Okay, so the things that have been rebuilt was the injection pump, like I said. We'll go through the fuel system. The injection pump was rebuilt and set. The timing is now set. And with the engine, the way that it is, it seems to be working good. The injectors, they all have new injector nozzles installed. You got genuine not German ones, but British ones. The genuine ones from Britpart, but the pop pressure has all been set, and they're good. And also I did the parallel glow plugs upgrade. So instead of having your old coil type of glow plugs, this is the newer style, the Bosch style ones with the, looks like a cigarette, I guess. So, and like I mentioned before, when I did the head, I put in new valve guides in the intake ones. I think it was the intake or the exhaust ones. I put new valves in, so new valve guides, or no, I put them all new valve guides. I can't quite remember, but anyways, there's new valve guides on half the head or all the head. I'm not sure. So I lapped the valves. The heads are good. Then the cylinder head gasket is an original NOS copper one, so that's a good gasket. Then I put in new piston rings, cleaned up the pistons, honed and cleaned up the pistons and put new piston rings in. Then I also put new connecting rod bearings in. So that's all been done too to the engine. Let's see, what else? I did have to fix the manifold one time, but that works and it's all sealed tight. I did an alternator conversion, but I'm going to be using that on my new engine that I'm going to be putting in. I'm guessing it will come with a starter. I don't see why not. I don't really need it once I do a conversion. Oh, new water pump is in there. There's a new water pump, new thermostat, new, same timing chain, but I reset the timing chain to 5 degrees advance, and it keeps the engine running great. There's no issues like that. Let's see, I flushed the head with water. I cleaned that and the block itself. So we can see here, I touched the exhaust. It's cold, there's nothing. I haven't started it or nothing. So how about we go inside and we'll give it a start, and we'll see the oil pressure goes up too as well. Alright, so here we are in. Turn it on. Here's the glow plugs light. The glow plug's warming up. Oil light, alternator light. And wait for the glow plug light to turn off. There you go, that's off. Here's the oil pressure while I turn the key to turn and start it. Give it gas. Built up more pressure. It's a mechanical gauge. So it's not quite, it takes a little time for the pressure to build up in the hose. The pressure does go up, and water temperature, it usually sits around 150, and it doesn't really go up above that, so it stays pretty good temperature. And again, that's a mechanical gauge. So neither one are electrical, so they're mechanical the way they go. Rev it up a few times. Let's go back and look at the smoke. You can see there's no white smoke, no nothing or anything. There is a little bit when you give it gas and you give it just normal because it's just diesel powered, so that's just the way it is. So, let's go here. I give it a few revs. You see a little bit just from revving it up, fuel coming out. Running. It's amazing, it doesn't even shake that much. For a diesel, it's amazing how much it's so smooth the way it runs. Like it's just shaking the hose a little bit. sell it.